All right, let me, however, on this bulletin, bring you some great news as well. It's a happy news for India. We're watching this in our lifetime. After a gap of 41 years, ISRO's Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla is set to pilot the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station. That's happening tomorrow. Now, in his hometown in Lucknow, Shukla's family is praying for a successful mission. They want this now second Indian astronaut to fly into space. All of us do, since Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma's 1984 mission, and of course, have all the success in it. The crew will conduct more than 60 scientific experiments over 14 days. Now, this is a joint venture. Axiom Space, NASA, ISRO, and the European Space Agencies. So, wishing all the very best to Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla, and to help you understand what exactly is happening right now there on the ground. And for that, I want to go across directly to the United States of America. That's right, we don't have a secondary source, but directly on the ground, a smiling Akshita, who usually hosts the Super 6. She's in the USA right now. Akshita, what is it looking like in Florida near the Kennedy Space Center? Tell us all about the big assignment you're on. Over to you now.
Rather good evening,
Yes.
Pooja. It's good morning here. Of course, I'm incredibly jet lagged because I've touched down here just a few hours ago, but there's no time for jet lag, is there? We're so excited.
Yes.
We're so pumped over the fact that we're going to be scripting history, and I'm personally very excited that I'm going to be witnessing it. I'm standing right now in Titusville. It's about 15 minutes away from the Kennedy Space Center. So we're going to be getting you those exclusive ground reports. We decided that this is history in the making. We need to be here seeing firsthand what's really happening. This is essentially a final countdown, Pooja. At this time, tomorrow, we'll have our second Indian in space, the first ever Indian to go to the International Space Station. So we're all, of course, very, very excited, counting down to that. 5:52 p.m. exactly Indian Standard Time is when liftoff is from the Kennedy Space Center. That's about 8:22 in the morning here. And then about 3 hours post that, at exactly 10 p.m. IST, is when the docking at the International Space Station will happen. That'll be home for Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla for 14 days, for 2 weeks. And it'll be a packed time. I've been speaking to experts in ISRO as well as Axiom 4, which is taking care of this entire mission. And they've listed out a number of experiments, largely to do with agriculture, that India is focusing on, which will be conducted during this space mission. But everyone's pumped, everyone's excited. There were a few delays, Pooja. This was a launch that was slated to actually happen on June 8th. It got pushed by about 2 days due to technical issues. But with the Dragon spacecraft locked and loaded, literally, it looks like tomorrow is when we will have that historic moment where after 40 years, we'll have our second Indian in space, Pooja, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla, who's part of the Gaganyaan mission as well, which is why he's been chosen as the pilot of the mission. 4 astronauts in all. You have the commander, who is a US astronaut, Peggy Wilson, who's been to space several times, so that experience, of course, matters. Subhanshu Shukla is the pilot, and then you have 2 mission specialists, a Polish and a Hungarian. For them also a big deal, because much like India, after 4 decades, they're sending an astronaut up to space. So this is a historic mission on so many counts that we will be getting you all the details of, Pooja.
So after Serena Williams and of course her crew comes in, this has a direct Indian connect, clearly, Akshita. What do you think is possibly the mood on the ground? I understand this is a joint venture, but do you think this is something that, well, for the young enthusiastic astronauts who are watching this telecast right now, families across India, or Indian immigrants in the USA, this is an opportunity, of course. We are looking at the future. Tell me more about 14-day mission. What are we expecting here? And of course, the general sentiment that you see around you.
You know, the excitement here, I can tell you, is at its peak. Most of the locals I've been speaking to have been figuring out which is the best viewing point to watch that particular launch. Of course, we'll have a front side, ringside view, which we will be getting our viewers as well, Pooja. But this is a historic mission, not just for India. Globally, too, you look at the kind of studies that they're going to be conducting. They're going to be looking at what kind of impact microgravity has on astronauts, so on the human body, physiologically and otherwise. There's also talk of how insulin bodies that need insulin. Diabetic patients, diabetic astronauts can really handle that going up to space, the problems with that, the challenges, and how to ensure that we overcome that. So this is a mission that essentially helps astronauts in the future also who are looking to go to space. And that's why it's so important. You're right in pointing out this is a joint mission. You've got NASA on board, you've got SpaceX on board, and Axiom as well, which is actually a private space company. But at the Kennedy Space Center is where the launch will be happening, as is mostly the case with SpaceX, Pooja.
All right, Akshita, I hope you get a little bit of rest because it's going to be a long day for you tomorrow. I want to tell the viewer exactly the same time. By 5:45 p.m., stay tuned because Akshita is going to host live Super 6 tomorrow evening. That is going to be as and when the mission is launched. And of course, you wouldn't want to miss this exclusive interaction and the telecast coming in from the United States of America. India Today is the only channel on the ground to get you this historic moment. Akshita, all the very best to you. Thank you very much for getting us this update.